I just spent £2,000 on a bunch of used Ralph Lauren jumpers. Is this gonna be a gold mine, or have I just wasted my money? Let's go and unbox it and find out. I got offered a £2,000 mystery bundle from Fleek for premium Ralph Lauren jumpers. I have no idea if the jumpers in here are gonna be worth hundreds or thousands of pounds. I have no idea what jumpers are in here. I have no idea if they're even real. I'm really hoping I didn't get scammed, because £2,000 is a lot of money and it's only for 30 jumpers. So this is coming out to nearly £66 per jumper, and I really hope I didn't get scammed. Hey, we got a bit of a weird piece here. Okay. Yeah. Money. Oh my gosh, this is not going well, guys. There's no size tag on it. That's not great. We've got, oh my God, we've got my trusty key to open the parcel. Okay, it's looking interesting. We might have a good deal here. This might actually be a moneymaker. We might be lucky. What's the best way to do this? I'm just gonna pour it out. It's looking good. Let's go through it. I'm kind of expecting higher quality, more premium jumpers. Most valuable Ralph Lauren jumpers have teddy bears or special designs on them. And I'll also be happy if I get USA knits, because they're pretty expensive too. But let's actually have a dive in and see if we got anything good, because this could get interesting ordering overseas. First one, it's a USA knit. It's real too. Okay, good start. But it seems to be a quarter zip. You can see there, it's not a crew neck jumper, but it is a quarter zip. I'll also be valuing every jumper, and I'll tally it up on screen, and we'll see if I did actually make any profit in this bundle. And I'll tell you where I bought it from at the end, by the way, if you want to get yourself one too. Guys, I'm really kind, like not gatekeeping at all. Oh my God. Okay, I'd value this piece at around £50 just because it's the quarter zip design. It is a large and it is a USA knit. This one doesn't smell too bad either. The next one, another USA knit, but it's not like a visible color USA knit, but it is a crew neck. So we actually like these crew necks or V-necks. That's exactly what we're after. It is a large too, but it looks like it's shrunk a little bit. It fits look more like a medium. I'd value this at £60. It's in really good condition. Oh my gosh, this is not going well, guys. Oh my God. Right, if I show you this looks good. USA knit, but it's the long neck version. This is going to be worth like nothing. This is maybe worth £20 if I can sell it for that. Okay, it's not going too well. I'm not feeling good. This is better. This is good. This is good. This is definitely shrunk, but this is perfect. This is exactly what we're after. A women's medium USA Ralph knit crew neck. Perfect. 100. We might be able to break even. Okay. Check this out. Bang. Teddy bear jumper, big RL in the cream color. What size? Small. I would say that's 200. Authentic 2. Okay, that's 200. That's a big one. That is a big win. This was like a FIFA pack opening. Honestly, this is so fun. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Maybe I should wear it. What do you guys think? No, I can get some good money for this on eBay. Okay, what's next? We've got, oh my God, oh, check it out. We've got another one, another teddy bear knit. My man is looking swanky in this one. It's a medium. It's a different material, but it looks like it's shrunk loads. This thing looks tiny. It's not a kid's piece. It's just shrunk loads, which is a shame. But to the right buyer, this could still be valuable. I do know a few Ralph Lauren pros. I'm going to put this at £100 just because it's such like it is a really nice knit. You can see as a medium, this is looking very, very small. Maybe 100. But we might be cooked on this one. Okay, I have not been counting. I have no idea where we're at. You guys will know though. So hopefully I'm not getting cooked so far, but we still have a lot of clothes to go through. Up next, large USA crew neck. Good size, amazing condition, £100. Easy money. Love pieces like that. Another USA knit. Okay, but looks a little bit dodgy. It's a size large, it's real, and it is a turtleneck. Kind of annoying. Value this at 70. Turtlenecks do sell well for me, but it is summer in the UK right now, so this might take a little while to sell. And if you guys do think I'm pricing these things totally wrong, let me know in the comments. Oh, okay. Check that out. It's another teddy knit with the RL in the corner. It's a small. It does look like a small. This one hasn't shrunk too much, and it's got the P on it. So I think this is worth quite a bit. I'm valuing this at another £200. It's in cream. It's got a few marks on it. But like, it's just cardboard. We can take them off. Okay, happy days. Maybe I should give one of these away too. Let me know in the comments, because I feel like I've got a lot of clothes here. Another USA crew neck. Check this out. £100, size medium, authentic, made in USA too. That's lovely. That looks like a wider neck version, but easy £100. Dark green. Okay, small, made in Hong Kong, USA green knit. This is probably worth about $150. The made in Hong Kong pieces are usually high quality, and you can just feel it. This is a really thick, nice knit. I love the made in Hong Kong pieces. If you guys didn't know, if a Ralph Lauren piece is made in Hong Kong, it's good money. It's good money. Okay, this is fire. This is exactly what we're after. Large USA knit, £100 again, cashing in. Okay, I'm starting to feel better about this. We've made some good money, so I'd like to think we are profitable already. At the start, we did get some shit pieces, but we're doing good for now. Let's keep it coming. What's next? Oh, yes. USA small, authentic knit. We haven't had any fakes. Who is who I buy through. All these get legit checked, so I don't get any fake. Look at that. And we are good so far. They've stuck true to their word. Made in USA, USA knit, crew neck, beautiful condition. I'm £100. I could probably get more, but I'm going to sell it pretty fast at 100. What's next? Got this red piece. Another USA knit. The tag says it's an extra small. That looks about right. And just, yeah, a simple red USA knit. Gonna put that at 75. That's a really nice material. Where is that made? Is that made in USA? Made in China. Feels good though. Really nice, extra small. The resellers watching this are gonna be jealous. They know I've cashed in here. They know I've cashed in. Okay. And again, another medium USA crew neck. I have got a lot of the same piece here, but these crew necks sell so fast. In this navy blue USA flag, £100 a piece all day. Ask any reseller. Okay, we've got a bit of a weird piece here. Okay, polo bear. What is this? Okay, this is weird. Check this out. And if you're a Ralph Lauren nerd, please comment what this is. This is a polo bear. I've got like 2 stripes. It's an outline of the polo bear. And then on the tag, it's an tall XL for 18 to 20-year-olds. It's an XL tall for 18 to 20. But it doesn't say like medium. I would expect that to usually be a medium. It's kind of weird. I'm going to value that at 75 just because it's got the polo bear on the front. That's going to be okay money. Right. We've still got a load of pieces left and they are all looking so far all navy. They could just all be USA flags. And honestly, I wouldn't be too annoyed if they were. Yeah, it's looking like it is just mostly USA flags now. Another large crew neck. This one is made in China, really nice condition, £100. Extra large USA knit, £100. A medium USA knit, but this is a bloody button-up crew neck. This is going to be not worth much. Maybe £30. I'm not feeling too confident on these. I might have overvalued the ones earlier, but whatever. USA knit, small, amazing condition, crew neck, £100. No. Okay, I thought, okay, it's shrunk a little bit, but we've got a USA medium. That is not a medium. Look how small that looks. Made in Japan. Feels thick, but looks like it's shrunk. Probably 75 on that one, because that has shrunk a lot. Guys, it's difficult just sorting through Ralph Lauren jumpers, trying to figure out my legit chucks on every single one. USA crew neck, small, another £100. I think I'm profitable. I've probably, like, broken even by now, surely. Like, you guys will know. I haven't been counting how many jumpers I've got yet either. I probably should have done that. USA knit, medium, really good condition. No marks, no defects. £100. Oh, looks another small one. This kids? No, it's made in Hong Kong. Are they just really small? That looks like it's shrunk. Yeah, made in Hong Kong, navy knit, small. Lovely condition. I'm going to put that at 75 though. Probably shrunk. XL made in Hong Kong knit. USA crew neck. Another £100. Small USA knit. The USA flag on this looks really small though. I have no idea why. It is authentic though. Size small. I'll put that at 100 as well. Okay, we're down to the last 3 pieces now. And they are looking... They're looking okay. Okay, a cardigan. First cardigan. There's no size tag on it. That's not great. Check it out. It's interesting. It's got pockets and a little polo bear. The polo bear, he seems like a happy chap, but like, where do I find the size from? It's a made in China piece. Right, I have no idea on the size. Unsized cardigan. I'm gonna have to put this at like 30 just because I have no clue. And yeah, definitely lost money on that piece. Unless one of you guys want it. Comment if you want it and I'll give it to you. Okay, last two. Whoa. Yo. This is, hello. Yeah. Money. Boys. Ralph Lauren hand-knitted dog 2001 piece. You can see the year at the bottom there. This is money. I'll have to Google Lens this to see how much this is, but this is major. At the bottom of the pile as well. This, by the way, guys, in hand, this feels amazing. I'm gonna say 200, but I'll actually correct it on price right now. I'll correct this on screen right now with an actual, like, oh my, the details on this are incredible. Big money. See, it's often worth buying these big bundles to get the pieces like this because you can make ridiculous profit on pieces like this. This is in amazing condition too. The material is great. Look at that. Bang. I'll put that to the side. That's epic. And then the last piece is also, looks unusual. We could have some money on our hands here. It's a medium navy, like, palm knit. You guys see this? And then on the back, it's got a little, like, umbrella. Kind of strange. I'm going to put this at 150, but I'm going to go research these two. We'll tally it up. We'll see if we made profit. And then we'll see if this is a worthy deal for you guys to do. Right, I've been sat here doing some research, and I think we have cooked. This is a 2001 Labrador knit, and I have found some mixed prices of these online. One is currently listed for $400, so about £360. But I've also found another one that's sold for like $200. Basically, I think valuing this at £200 is probably right. It's in amazing condition and in a large, which is a very desirable size. Like, the condition for a piece in 2001 is immaculate. It doesn't even need debobbling. It's that good. So we definitely did well with this piece. But unfortunately, this jumper, which I thought could be a lot of money, this is called a tropical roll neck sweater. Yep, it's not worth loads of money. It's only worth about £100, so it's okay. But I thought we could have a real gem on our hand. With all that considered, let's see if I made any money. The numbers are in. I've got the laptop, and it's honestly pretty good. I thought this would be terrible. I thought we would make a small margin, but we have been blessed. So, just to go over everything, I paid in total £1,578, which is a lot of money. However, we ended up getting 29 pieces, I counted, which isn't the said 30, but it's good enough. We'll take that. So it came up to £54 per piece, which is pretty expensive for Ralph Lauren. However, the average sale price I estimated per piece was £97. If we sell it for the prices I estimated, we will make a staggering £1,232 profit. Will you get all that? I'm not sure, but you're at least making £1,000 profit. I'm confident in that. So this has been an absolutely incredible bundle. Because I make these videos and I do promote Fleek a lot on TikTok, there's credit you can get, and I applied £600 of referral credit. So I only actually paid £978 for this order, meaning I will make £1,832 from this order. So, as a uni student, it's a lot of money. I should be able to get actually this profit in about 1 to 2 months of selling these items. It's going to help me pay my rent, so I am very thankful. And if you guys do actually want to order this stuff yourself, head to Fleek, check it out, get in contact with some of their support. They're absolutely amazing. And if you want to get a £27 discount code, make sure to use RFDGeorge. I'll have it in the description too. £27 off. I don't think there's a minimum order value. Go and loop that. It's incredible. First order only. Definitely worth it, but if you can't just throw down an order of £2,000 or £1,000 on an order, start Vinted reselling. I've got a video on it. You can start with like £100. It's way easier, and I made a bot for it. Resold.app. Check it out. Make sure to subscribe, by the way, guys, because I'm dropping videos like this hopefully every week.